Okay, this is rubber tree, coconut tree, pine tree, cactus. Plants of different climates. You can see these plants are grown in different season and climates. In this climates, this is a rain forest. You can see these rubber trees and coconut tree in the coastal areas and pine tree you can see in the snow places and the cactus in the dry sandy soil. It will grow in the dry sandy soil. So some year seasons. I'll tell you about seasons. Some plants like wheat, gram, mustard and beans are grown in winter. All these are seasonal plants which grown in the winter. And these crops harvested by the March to April, such crops are called rabi crops. Such crops are called rabi crops. Some plants like rice, maize, coconut, bajra and jowar are grown in summer season. All these are in summer season, in hot season because of they need the more sunny. These are harvested at the end of the monsoon. At the end of the monsoon means October, September to October. Such crops are called kharif crops. All these are kharif crops: rice, bajra, jowar, wheat, gram. All this is kharif crops and this is rabi crops. And next, getting good yield from crops. So, if you get the if you want to get the good result in these crops, we have to yield the crops properly and we have to give good manure for the plants. Some besides favorable climate condition, plants also require manure. Besides the favorable seasonal plants, for example, in the agricultural, in the village side, the people used to sow the plants, seedling the plants in the seasonal wise. Plants are required manure and chemicals, fertilizers to ensure the growth and crops yield. And also the plants need good manure and chemicals to kill the germs and to kill the ants to ensure the growth and crop yield. The proper development of plants is necessary for better quality and production of cereals, fruits and vegetables. Even plants should be, they want to grow the bring better quality plants to get a better result of the cereals, fruits and vegetables. Dead and decay plants, animals' waste and cow dung are common manure. Common manure is you will get nearby. So decay plants and dead animals' waste. Animals' waste is nothing but cow dung are called common manure for the plants. All plants need a manure to get a good growth. Urea, ammonia, sulfide, nitrates and phosphates are some common chemicals that are sprayed on the plants to fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides or chemicals that spray on the plants to protect them from the various insects and pests. All this have been done for the plants to protect the plants from the insects. Otherwise the result will be very dull. All the crops will be eaten by these insects and pests. DDT and the Gramaxian are common insecticides. This both is DDT and Gramaxian are the common insects acids. So this both is very important and common factor so that we can get the good result and we can grow the plants very well. Certain tips for the good and healthy crops yields are as follows. Prepare the land well before sowing. Before sowing, you have to prepare the land with the good with the soil, proper soil, and remove weeds from the field from for proper growth of plants. So remove some weeds. You have to, the soil should be in the proper, the weeds and some dead dust particles won't be there. It should not be there, while field should be proper while growing the plants. Use healthy and good quality seeds for sowing. So, while sowing the seeds, it should be a proper and condition and healthy and good quality. You have to see that you have to bring the good and healthy qualities of seeds. Otherwise, result will be very poor. Add manure and fertilizers to the soil. Manure and fertilizers is must and should for the plant to grow, to get good results or to get the good results of crops. Irrigate the plant properly. We should irrigate the plant properly. We have the proper idea to irrigate the plants. Use insecticide acids or pestic acids to keep the plants pest free, so that we can keep the plants in this too. We can keep the plants in the good, because of otherwise all the insects and pests will going to eat the fruits and spoil the crops, and result will be poor. Proper care of plants not only enhance the growth of plants but also add health and wealth to the nation. So, we have to take care of plants in the well manner, but also have a health and wealth to the nation. This is about the reproductions. How do the plants reproduce? So, thank you, children.